Welcome to Expressing Feelings in English. Today we learn 3 important ways to talk about emotions. First is I feel. Second is I am feeling. Third is it makes me. These structures help you share your emotions clearly and naturally. Here are the 3 main structures. I feel describes your emotions. I am feeling shows emotions right now. It makes me explains what causes your feelings. Each has a special use we will explore next. I feel describes how you generally feel most of the time. This is your usual emotional state. Use I feel for long-term emotions or conditions that stay with you. It shows your regular way of feeling. I am feeling describes emotions you have right now. These are short-term feelings that come and go. Use I am feeling when talking about your current emotional state. It shows what you feel in this moment. It makes me shows something external causes your feeling. Focus is on the trigger that creates the emotion. Use this when explaining what makes you feel a certain way. The cause comes first. Listen to these I feel examples. I feel happy today. This shows general happiness. I feel tired after work. This is a regular condition. She feels excited about the trip. This is her usual state before travel. Now I am feeling examples. I am feeling sad right now. This is a current emotion. I am feeling nervous about the test. This shows temporary worry. He is feeling better today. This is improvement in the moment. Finally, it makes me examples. This song makes me happy. The song causes happiness. Rainy days make me sad. Weather creates sadness. Good news makes me excited. News triggers excitement. Practice these patterns daily.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.